Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. Taking a look at the Bitcoin articles and price. Bitcoin right now sitting above $60,000. Finally, we made it back above $60,000. We're sitting at $60,300 right now, and we have our first article here. Just one article today, folks. So we're taking a look at cryptocurrency market is zeroing in on Apple valuation above $2 trillion. So this is by Benzinga. And let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started with the video, folks. Yeah, so a relatively bullish week ahead of us, possibly. Cryptocurrency market is zeroing in on Apple valuation above $2 trillion. Super stoked about this, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through 2021. And don't forget, we have our exclusive private trading group. Links in the description box below. Help support the channel. We keep the channel ad free, and the best way to support the channel is by checking out some of those links in the description box. And let's see, we got eToro is offering $250 when you make your first 50k trade. Oh, that's that's an ad. The cryptocurrency market continues to grow in terms of market capitalization, standing at 2.07 trillion as of press time. What happened? This compares to Apple's NASDAQ valuation of $2.23 trillion as per Friday, closing price of above $133 per share. The iPhone maker is the world's most valuable publicly traded company at the moment. Cryptocurrency market briefly touched the 2 trillion mark earlier this month, according to some market data compilers, and has found its way back there again, with altcoins leading the charge. Bitcoin is trading mostly unchanged over 24 hours at $60,107 at press time, giving it a market capitalization of $1.12 trillion as per coin market cap data. The cryptocurrency market capitalization stands ahead of the valuation in companies like Facebook and Tesla, which are valued at $889.8 billion, and respectively. Okay, yeah, so we're doing better than Facebook, Tesla. We're about to take over Apple here pretty soon. Market capitalization higher than that of Bitcoin at $1.54 trillion. This is Google. So yeah, we're even doing better than Google. That's crazy. Why it matters. The move assumes significant as much of a later rise in cryptocurrency market capitalization has come from the so-called altcoins, meaning cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin. Total market capitalization. Bitcoin is sharply rising this year, courtesy of CoinMarketCap. Okay, Bitcoin market dominance has reduced to 54.1% as of press time, compared to 69.7% in January and over 91.5% about 5 years ago. Yeah, we've taken a look at the dominance chart a couple of different times, and it did look like Bitcoin was probably ready to continue to sell, or Bitcoin dominance was ready to drop off too as well, and that's exactly what's happened, folks. Ethereum dominance has also decreased from about 12.8% in January to 12.04% at press time. The world's second largest cryptocurrency is trading at 0.5 higher than 2,150. Benghazi's take. Multiple cryptocurrency analysts have described the onset of the alt season, where Bitcoin often gets outperformed by minor coins, yet at the same time, 3 reasons to be cautious, such as rallies have proven to be short-lived in the past, and minor cryptocurrencies are subject to extreme volatility. Where to put $1,000 right now? Learn while you earn, and start taking serious look at options, investments, and vehicles and stocks like Tesla. Okay, interesting. So I like how they've still plugged the stock market there at the end, and they were like, cryptocurrency is too risky, but yet it continues to climb, and it's climbing past Apple here pretty soon with total market capitalization. So very fun stuff here, folks. We're definitely going to be probably passing Apple relatively soon, possibly by the end of this month. So let's go ahead and, without further ado, jump on over into the charts. All right, so taking a look at Bitcoin chart on the daily here. Bitcoin right now hovering at about 60,300 right underneath there. And we can see that also on our candlestick patterns on our daily chart, we are seeing our buy signal with MarketGod had signaled a while back. We broke through our resistance trend line, and we've still been kind of trending out sideways. Now we're looking to break through our next resistance and hold above $60,000. As you can see right now, we do have a 3 count on the TI sequential, and we have gotten our lime green candlesticks now on our daily chart too as well. So things are looking relatively bullish there on our candlestick patterns. Looking at market cipher B, we are still seeing our green dot here. We're seeing our momentum waves finally shoot past up above our last previous momentum high, and our little trigger wave that we had here. VWAP is still kind of trending out to the side as well too. Now we want to see our momentum wave get back up above the 60% level, which is our solid gray line here. And market cipher is definitely probably going to give us the best heads up on that here in the near term future to see if we can get back up above that $60,000 mark and stay above there. So as of right now, it looks like we're probably going to be making a close above $60,000. So we'll just have to be patient and see what's going to happen here. Let's continue to let's zoom out here first. Let's just take a look at the two-day chart. As you can see as well, taking a look at the 2-day here, no sign of any green or teal candles just yet with our decent trader indicator, but we can see that we are definitely putting in a bullish count here on the TI sequential with the 2. And if we go back to market cipher is telling us that, hey, we got our green dot here, it confirmed, and now we're starting to see a push probably back up above that 60% level too as well. So once we get back up above that, it's compared to, like Flopping Groper said, who is the co-founder of Market Cipher with CryptoFace. It's basically like trying to stop a train, a speeding train, after it's like kind of already taken off too as well. So once we get back up above the 60% level, we'll probably maintain a nice bullish momentum above that too as well. VWAP still looking relatively good. Money flow still looking relatively good too. And if we kind of zoom out here just a little bit more, taking a look at the 3-day chart. 3-day chart, Market Cipher has given us a green dot here too as well. So that is another bullish sign for us here for the time ahead of us, going on into the rest of April and going on into the rest of this week too as well. So I'm thinking that this week is definitely going to be a nice rally for the Bitcoin prices as well too. Going back into our smaller time frames, if we continue to zoom in here, what we were looking for, which it does look like we are possibly getting now, is on our 12-hour chart here. We were waiting for Market Cipher to also give us a little bit more of a kind of rounded off VWAP too as well, and it looks like we are holding support above that 0 pivot point, so possibly no red dot incoming anytime soon. It looks like we're probably going to hold support above the 0 pivot point with our yellow VWAP line, and then our momentum wave is still probably going to try and push up above that 60% level too as well. But we're going to give it a little bit of time. I think that we're having just a little bit of a struggle to break through and hold above $60,000. We did it last night. We broke back up above $60,000, and now we're starting to see that price consolidate around this area and wait for that next big pump to come into the market. And Coinbase is going to be listing on the 14th, which is on Wednesday. So possibly going on into the 14th of April, we're going to see a nice big rally here for us too as well. Taking a look at the 6-hour chart here as well too, Market Cipher has signaled us a green dot here too as well. That is a relatively bullish sign. Money flow still looking like it's ready to continue to stay in this greenish area too as well. VWAP holding support above our 0 pivot point too. Now we want to see our momentum wave get back up above the 60% level as well too. And our candlestick patterns showing us a nice lime green pattern here, nice little rounded structure, no sign of a orange candlesticks, always still maintaining our bullish structure here with our lime green candlestick pattern. So definitely things are looking relatively nice here for us in the near term future. Folks, if y'all want to pick up the Market Cipher indicator by CryptoFace, there's links in the description box below with the 5% off discount code too as well. So make sure y'all go ahead and go support the channel, pick up the Market Cipher indicator package. That is pretty much our bread and butter on this channel. If I was to be left with one indicator, I would definitely choose Market Cipher over anything else. So even though we support and we use other indicators on this channel. Market Cipher is our bread and butter on this channel too as well. So things are looking relatively nice for us here on this Monday morning, folks. I'm definitely thinking that we'll probably continue this bullish rally going on into Wednesday too as well during our listing with Coinbase. And I'm looking forward to that, to see how our market performs following Sunday, and then seeing how these alts are going to rally after that, or going on into Wednesday, and then seeing how the alts are going to rally after that too as well. Super excited. So get your bags packed, strap in tight, hold on, because we're on for a wild ride. I'm assuming for the rest of April. It does look relatively good. Looks like we're probably about to make that new all-time high here in the near term future, folks. So yeah, don't forget, check the links in the description box below if you want to pick up the Market Cipher indicator. And then also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video through the 2021 bull market rally. And don't forget, we have our private trading group if you want to stay up to date with us 24/7. Link in the description box below. We use Patreon as a payment processor. You need to make sure that you have Discord, because everything that we post for our private trading group is located on Discord too as well. And so with that being said, folks, I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.